Hello, and today I'm gonna open my Rubik's Cube. So now let's take a look at my Rubik's Cube. It says Rubik's. Side here, that, and the other side. In the back it says you can do the Rubik's Cube. And then it says Rubik's pasta. And now we should open it. Okay, whoa, it's ages to 8 plus. It says it's made in China. And it can actually turn. If you don't know what's a Rubik's Cube, it's actually a square that you can turn into. So you have to scramble it and then you have to solve it, like turning it. Yeah, like this. Oh yeah. It says Rubik's.com. What? Did I say Rubik's.com? Yeah. Oh yes. It said Rubik's.com on the middle of the web. Open it. I don't know. Wait. Check out the app. Download on App Store or Android app on Google Play. Rubik's Cube app works with Apple or with select Android devices. Okay. It says here 1974 Rubik's Cube are used under the Rubik's Cube band lid. Okay. What? Okay, I'll show you the colors in order. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and no purple, but it's white. It's the leader of the whole Rubik's Cube world! Wait, okay. Now let's open it. I mean here. Oh, wait. There you go. What? Okay. Get you out of here. No, Knuffle Bunny 3 is not really good. Oh. Dun dun dun! So here it is. Okay, I'll tell you all the colors again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, white. Let's do first turn. Oh. Whoa. That really moving fast. It said move the top. Whoa! Wait. I'm moving carefully. So this thing. What? I'm doing B2. Whoa! Okay, let's do downwards, upwards. Dude, this is so cool. Downwards, upwards. Whoa! Okay, let's scramble the Rubik's Cube. Let's see if I can actually figure out. It takes a while to scramble the Rubik's Cube. I'm scrambling the Rubik's Cube! Yay! Okay, now I scrambled it. Now let's see if I can actually solve it. Okay, first of all, need to it's like going backwards. Okay, for how you solved it, you're going backwards. If you know, I'm not really used to Rubik's Cubes. B2. Ugh, it's hard to scramble. I mean, hard to solve, I mean. Oh, I don't know how to do the Rubik's Cube, but there is a way to do a Rubik's Cube. So there's a video that is like a lot of numbers and primes and stuff, and letters. Yeah, this is called D2. I think this is L prime or this is L prime. I don't know. So yeah. Also, when I try to move this by itself, it only moves this like that. But I don't want to move it like that. I want to move it only like this part like that. Sounds hard. This is a good Rubik's Cube. I really like it, but hear that sound? This is the end of the video. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!